of density 8 and N8 inches are put in container. The height of each liquid is h. The solid cylinder of length L and density D is put in this container. The cylinder floats with its axis vertical and length PL, P greater than 1 in the denser liquid. The density D is equal to answer 1 plus n minus 1 P of P. Consider the junction diode as ideal. The value of current flowing through AB is answer 10 power minus 2. A car is a negotiating curved road of radius r. The road is banked at an angle. The coefficient of friction between the type of the car and the road is μs. The maximum safe velocity on this road is answer 3. Square root of gr mu square plus tan theta by 1 minus μs plus tan theta. A long straight wire of radius A carries a steady current I. A current is uniformly distributed over its cross section. The ratio of the magnetic field D and B' at a radial distance A by 2 and 2A respectively from the axis of the wire is answer 1. Given the value of Rydberg constant is 10 power 7 per meter. The wave number of the last line of Balmer series in hydrogen spectrum will be answer 0.25 into 10 to the power 7 per meter. If the velocity of a particle is A is equal to AT plus BT square, where A and B are constant, then the distance travelled by it between 1s and 2s is answer 3 by 2A plus 7 by 3B. The angle incidence for a ray of light at a refracting surface of a prism is 45. If the ray suffers minimum deviation through the prism, the angle of minimum deviation and the refractive index of the material of the prism respectively are 30 degree = root 2. The molecule of a given mass of a gas has RMS velocity of 200 meter per second at 27 degrees Celsius and 1 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square pressure. When the temperature and pressure of the gas are respectively 127 degrees Celsius and 0.05 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square, the RMS velocity of velocity molecules in meter per second is answer 400 by root 3. An air column closed at one end and open at the other resonate with a tuning fork when the smallest length of the column is 50 cm. The next larger length of column resonating with the same tuning fork is answer 150 cm. The magnetic susceptibility negative for answer diamagnetic material only. An electron of mass m and photon have same energy E. The ratio of de Broglie wavelength associated with them is answer 1 by C E by 2m par 1 by 2. A body of mass 1 kg begin to move under the action of time dependent force F bar of 2 Ti bar plus 3 T square J n when I and J are the unit vector along x and y axis. What power will be developed by the force at the time t? Answer 2t cube plus 3t power 5 into w. The charge flowing through a resistance R varies with the time t as q is equal to at. Bt square where a and b are positive constant. The total heat produced in R is a cube R by 6b. A NPN transistor is connected in common emitter configuration in a given amplifier. The load resistance of 800 is connected in the collector circuit and voltage drop across it is 0.8 volt. If the current amplification factor is 0.96 and the input resistance of the circuit is 192, the voltage gain and the power gain of the amplifier will respectively be answer 4, 3.84.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.